Alam mo ba that here in the Philippines, 78% of the Filipinos believe that savings and investing are just for the rich, para sa mga mayayaman lang. But in reality, for you to become rich, kailangan mo meron kang savings and investments. Kapatid, hindi mo naman kailangan ng milyon-milyon para meron kang savings and investments. Small amounts saved and invested consistently over the long term eventually becomes very, very big. And ginagawa na ito ng mga Chinese people for centuries. Kaya no wonder, here in the Philippines, majority of the richest people are Chinese. Kapatid, it's time for you to wake up and start saving and investing consistently. I will see you on my next video.